Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and I'm bringing you a video today on this 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. It is a four-wheel drive version, so it's a little bit bigger than most. This van is absolutely massive, as you can see in this image right here. What we did in this van today is we did an Alpine iLX-F259 Halo 9, the newest version. The iLX-F259 is the lower end version than the standard iLX-F309. However, in my opinion, the 259 is the better radio. So as you can see here, on the passenger seat, we've got the box. Basically what this is, it's a 9-inch advanced Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital media head unit / receiver. And I'm just going to get up into the vehicle and I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to show you a couple of the key differences between this and the 309. I'm just going to turn on the vehicle. So this is the new designed dash on the Sprinters. You can use a Metra 95-8731 dash kit to fit this radio. Now the 95-8731 is a double DIN kit. It doesn't come with the pocket, so there is a 99-8731 that you can buy that would have a pocket. It's not a huge deal in this instance because the screen covers it, but if you wanted a pocket behind there, you would be using the 99-8731. Radio antenna adapter is the 40EU10, and it turns out that the 70-9003 wire harness actually fits plug and play on this vehicle. You will have to source your power and ground from the fuse box, but for speaker connections it does fit. So basically this is the Halo 9 iLX-F259 user interface. It differs from the F309 in a couple different ways. Number one, the home screen. Number two, responsiveness is actually much quicker. I'm just going to go to the radio here. I don't have an iPhone or an Android phone plugged into it right now, so I wouldn't be able to show you the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto functionality. But what I can show you is basically how quick it is to respond and all the different things that it does. So it's got basically buttons along the bottom for volume control, for mute, for your voice control, for your menu, answering the phone, seek back, seek forward, fast forward, rewind, those types of things. And then some of the other key differences on this one versus the F309 is the following. So this does not have an HDMI input. This does not have iData-Link Maestro support, so you cannot use the Maestro RR or the Maestro RR2 interface with this. And it also does not have the capability of being hooked up to the Alpine switcher accessory. So the Alpine switcher accessory gives you the capability, when used in conjunction with a Maestro RR, the ability to turn on and off different accessories through the radio. So you can actually have a switch panel layout on the screen. This version, the iLX-F259, does not offer that. But as I mentioned getting into the vehicle, I believe that this is the better buy out of the Halo 9 selection. And the reason being is the user interface is better, it's faster, and if you're putting it in a Sprinter like this, Maestro RRs do not work, so the RR or the RR2 do not have support on Mercedes, so it doesn't matter anyways. And most people don't require the HDMI. The only reason why you would need an HDMI is if you wanted to do cell phone mirroring, but technically you're kind of doing that when you're doing Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Yes, I know you're not mirroring everything that's on the cell phone screen, or on the smartphone screen I should say, but essentially you're mirroring all the most important things when you're using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which this radio does have. For those of you wondering, this does not, I repeat, does not have wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. You do have to plug in a USB cable. We have mounted the USB cable down here, so we can quickly plug in his phone USB cable to that port. This vehicle is going to come back. We'll probably end up putting in a port somewhere on the dash, but for now, this is basically what we've got. What we're also going to do in this vehicle in future is we're going to be integrating side view cameras, and the OEM rear view camera we're going to integrate in this, and the front camera we're going to integrate. The reason why we didn't do it today, you'll notice if I push rear camera, it doesn't do anything. The reason why we didn't do it today is because we don't have the cameras in yet. The other thing that this customer has done is he has ordered the steering wheel control switches for this side. This van was a base version, so it didn't come with the controls. He is ordering them, and then we're going to end up connecting them from here to the Alpine radio. So that pretty much concludes it. Again, it's a perfect fit radio. As you can see, it looks amazing in the dash of a Sprinter van. And once we have cameras connected to it, it's going to be even better. And we'll make another follow-up YouTube video once we do that. So if you or someone you know is interested in adding a Halo 9 or a CD player or a Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, pretty much any multimedia to your Sprinter van or your other type of work van or any vehicle for that matter, Give us a call, 1-866-824-4118, or locally, 647-439-4485. You can reach us on the web, as mentioned, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. Email, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca. And don't forget, if you like this video, do hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. We look forward to bringing you another video on this Sprinter van, specifically when we add the cameras. We think it's going to be pretty cool, and we hope you will watch. Thank you very much. Alpine Halo 9, signing out. Thank you. Bye.